Let's talk about component selection as far as a UL control panel, because I see this misunderstood or a lot of elaborate theories about this come up way too often. A lot of you tell me, well, I would build UL panels, but it's going to add 25 to 30% to the panel. Maybe. The main thing you have to think about is what is the purpose of a UL mark on a panel? It really is to make sure you don't burn a building down. So yeah, you may save 25 to 30%, but is it worth the risk? That's what you have to ask yourself. But if you start looking at most of your components, you're going to see that they have the UL listing mark already on them. Now, previously we've done a video about the difference between a UL listed component and a UL recognized component. There's a link in the description that will have a lot of valuable resources for you. But really quick clip notes, a UL listed component can pretty much be used anywhere in this control panel. A UL recognized component has some very specific installation and location instructions. So as we were designing this panel, all but one device was UL listed. And our spindle motor that we used for our test finishing came with this drive right here. It has no UL listing mark on it. Now, that does not mean that this is going to burn down your plant, but it does mean that it can burn down your plant. And similarly, as I was trying to find enough specifications about this drive so that I could find a replacement for it, I really struggled to figure out exactly what it was putting out, what its ampacity was. All those items are missing. Those are the type of things that come with a UL listed device. So this is the equivalent drive. This is from Automation Direct. It's an Iron Horse. And the main thing that we are looking for is this UL mark on it. If it has that mark, then it is a mark that it has been tested, and what they say it does, it actually does. So start looking through the components that you're using in your control panel, and I bet you're going to find that probably 90, maybe 95% of them already are in compliance. So the cost really won't go up that much to build a UL 508A panel.